Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KHB Tech. Here we are going to unboxing the JK Super Company's marble cutter machine. You can see one unit. Let's open the box now. You can see the packing of the box. It is not in so much good condition. Now let's open the box and see what are the contents of the box. So this is a user manual, and here we have one spanner. This is a machine. In that we are having one more Allen key to open the upper bolt, and these are extra brushes we are getting here. One is in good condition, but another one is broken, so we can't use it. Anyways, let's see what is we are having in machine. So this is a machine here. This is to fix the blade. We have to release the upper bolt first. Then two plates are there to fix the blade. This is to adjust the thickness of cutting. And this is one more extra feature in this machine, that we can adjust the cutting angle from 0 to 60 degree like this. And this is our power cord. It is in a good length. It is runs on 11,000 RPM, which is sufficient for cutting marble, metal and wood also. We need to fix the plate like this by holding the spanner and tight the upper bolt from the Allen key. Let's have a test.